If you have friends who smoke, tag them to watch this. Tobacco contains many harmful substances. When a cigarette is lit, these chemicals burn and form tar, a sticky black liquid carrying most harmful substances. The filter removes only part. Tar stains teeth yellow and irritates the throat, causing coughing. Smoke travels to the lungs, where tiny moving cilia act as a barrier. Tar sticks to them, damaging their function and reducing the lungs' ability to clear particles. Other toxins like carbon monoxide, nitrites, and aldehydes reach deep into the lungs. Carbon monoxide replaces oxygen in your blood, causing cell oxygen deprivation and damaging organs. Nicotine makes quitting hard. Within 7 seconds, it enters the brain, triggering dopamine, the pleasure chemical. But dopamine fades quickly, making you crave another cigarette. Over time, the brain adapts, needing more